Now, how can you make your video go, the YouTube video go to your home screen on an iPad? Let's get started. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, at first, you need to go to the settings app of your iPad and check out the multitasking and gestures section. There is a feature at the bottom, like it's just one toggle, but it's called Start PIP automatically. This stands for picture in picture, and this is what you are referring to, right? So it's the video floating on the home screen, right? So make sure you have it turned on. Then you can go to the YouTube app. This feature is part of the premium subscription, which I'm a big fan of. I can only recommend it. So once you have that, you can literally just start playing your videos, and then you can make it go full screen or whatever. And when you swipe to leave the app, you'll be able to see that the video is now playing on the home screen, right? So you can move it around, you can resize it, you can even kind of hide it a little bit out of the frame in case it kind of stands in a way. It's all part of the picture in picture function, right? So you can do whatever you want. It's just how it works, right? So that's basically how you're going to do this. In case you have some specific questions, let me know about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next video. So stay tuned and I'll see you then.